Hi, welcome to the You Can Move Patreon. I'm Can, like a soda can, and I'm from America's Best Dance Crew Season 5 winners, Poriotics.
America's Best Dance Crew is Poriotics!
So I've been dancing for about 15 years or more, and I've recently completed the 365 Dance Challenge, where I dance every single day for a year. So I come from a popping/street style of dance. Back then, I was never able to afford weekly classes at a studio, so now I want to come up with an economical way of teaching you guys how to dance. So I created this Patreon to help people like you dance at an affordable price in a comfortable environment like your bedroom. A lot of us, including myself, are guilty of lifestyles that involve a lot of sitting and being lazy and doing nothing and just being completely inactive, and that could be really unhealthy for your body and your mind. Not moving is bad. Not only that, but most people don't even want to try dancing because they don't have the confidence to do so. But that's okay, because I've put together a weekly series of tutorials that focus on getting you to move in a fun and easy way. This way you can build your confidence to dance, because if you can move, you can dance. Here's what you get for each tier. Tier 1. You can watch one tutorial each month, and this is mainly for the people that just want to show a little bit of support. Tier 2, you'll have access to all of the weekly dance tutorials. This tier is the best value. Tier 3, so this tier is pretty much for people that are a little more serious about dancing. Not only will you have access to all of the weekly tutorials, but you get to make one personal request for a super duper personalized tutorial based on what you want to learn. This way, I can dedicate a tutorial just for you. Tier 4. This tier is for people that are even more super duper serious about dance and people that want to be mentored by me. If you're interested in this, go ahead and direct message me on Instagram at can.poriotics. And that's pretty much it. I hope you can join me in the next tutorial. Just remember that if you can move, you can dance. Bye!